So we went to this food spot in Santa Grande, and when I tell you it tastes so good, like 10 out of 10 every time we go here. I think the name of it is called Kenny's Restaurants and Bar. Check it out if you're ever in Grande. I feel like I got dumpling and curry chicken, and my dad got pila with salad. Look how much salad in that. Like, look how much value for your money. Then I went over to my uncle's house and played with his new drone because I'm thinking about investing in one, and I think this is the one I'm going to invest in. It's pretty pricey, but I want it. Later in the day, I went over to Eastgate Mall. There's a new mall that opened in the Trin City Road, and checked it out. Now, as you all heard, someone saw me vlogging and decided to stop me. And when I tell you this was the sweetest interaction I had for the day, it made my entire day. Shout out Trishelle. You really don't even know how much you made my day.
Nice. So no peanuts. So how you find it so far? I think it's good. There's a lot of stores that still have yet to open up. Right. So, you know, it will have its slow moments, but like coming up to the afternoon, evening time, it will get like back up lots of people. And on Instagram, that way you can stay up to date with any sales, any other promotions.
So after such a nice start, let's see the rest of the mall. This is my favorite part, their food court, the Coco Palm food court. It is so pretty in here. It's very much minimalist, but at the same time, you're getting that nature vibe with the greenery all over the place, the affirmations on the wall. There's ample amount of seating.
Yo, it is really pretty here. Like, it is beautiful. Can you see that view? And from all the videos I saw, no one actually highlighted this part. So I don't know if it's new and people aren't aware of it yet, but this is gorgeous for a date, for when you're studying, as well as just coming here, chill out by yourself for a solo date too. This is a vibe.
I did a vlog for this on my TikTok as well. You can go check that out. So that's why I was sitting down here editing and getting some snaps for. And the Wi-Fi here was so fast. I got this all done in a breeze.
So you walk in and money just follow from us. I don't understand why, but it's time to wrap it up probably.
Now, even though the mall is open, there are lots of vacant spots and construction still being done for it to be fully operational. So I can't wait until it is, because it's going to be really cool.
Outside, and that was really nice. The mall is pretty. And yeah.